Alright. Got old bus 71 in here. I'm going to put some new front tires on it, or attempt to. And I've got one tire here that is practically a new tire. And another one that I bought, which is brand new, that we're going to get mounted on there. These tires that's on it are good tires still, tread-wise. You can tell they got good tread and everything. But starting to get dry rock cracks around them. I don't know if y'all probably can't make that out, but the front's getting pretty dry rotting. And these tires have been on this bus since March of 2009, so they are highly outdated. It wasn't ran much after that. See, one tire was put on in March of 09, another tire was put on in June of 2009, third front tire. So it had about what? 14,000 miles on them tires. They're just old. They're old. So, yeah, we'll see if we can get them off of there. We'll get these hubcaps pulled off here and put over out of the way, so I don't bust them. Don't want to bust them. It costs too much. Alright. I already got the lug nuts off of this one. I've been fighting with them. We'll try to video the other side when I do it. It's a shame to take these tires off as good a shape as they're in, tread-wise. I don't know. I just don't want to blow out on the front. Don't want to blow out on the front at all. We'll let this wind out of here from 2009. had them days where it's just a struggle. Today's kind of been that day for me. Well, been a struggle. Well, I finally got that one on. That's been a fight. Maybe the other one will go better. I don't know. I got this 1-inch. I couldn't get them lug nuts off with my DeWalt gun. So I went up school and got this 1-inch impact, and I haven't used it on anything this heavy duty before. I believe it's got plenty of strength because it'll break these loose. But with these small batteries, like this one, like a 5 ampere or whatever it is, 6 ampere battery, it kills out. And plus, them's a generic battery, so I need a little heavier duty battery for it. I'd like to get one for myself for here at the house. Buy one with the extended anvil on it, because you'd have to have the extended anvil. Or an extension. Extended anvil will be better for the rears. That gun there where it don't have the extended anvil, you couldn't get the back off. I don't think you could get in there to them. You might, but I doubt it. That might be something I invest in eventually. Because it'll break them loose, but it won't hammer along without it. It'll kill out. And I think it's because the battery is not strong enough. So, which it was about dead. I've got it on charge, and we'll try it on the other side in a few minutes. Yes, I started on this one. Now these you got to do forward on them. See how it kicks out? But it will break them loose. I'm gonna have to get me one of these for sure. These things got so much paint on them studs, it's hard to get them off once you get them broke loose. Right there's my problem. These old generic batteries are not staying engaged. Let's see what we can do to remedy that. When it's hammering, it's bouncing the battery loose, I believe. Let's try that. It's still kicking out. That's on number 4. Let's try it on 3. Now it does pretty good on tree, don't it? Might not hardly break them loose in 3. Probably turned up to 4 to break them loose. Couldn't have done it without this thing here. I'm gonna get me one. I know they're high dollar, but it'd be worth it. It would be worth it for what my use is. I've used it on some stuff, but never these lug nuts, and I know how difficult they are to get off, these tapered ones, where they're bud style. Well, that's got them on. This is the new one, the brand new one. And this one here's probably got, I don't know, a couple thousand miles, not many. And the year of it is the main thing. It's a whole lot newer. We'll have to do something about them back tires eventually. But at least there's 2 of them if one of them blows out. And probably they won't make you lose control as bad. And I do have some to put on it that's used tires if I need them. But I'll probably run those for a while still on the back. But we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.